mission, discover the journey of Rachi Spices, a brand dedicated to bringing authentic, high-quality spices to every kitchen. From their sustainable sourcing practices to their innovative product line, learn how Rachi Spices is revolutioning the way we cook. Title: The vision behind Rachi Spices. Rachi Spices was founded with a simple yet impactful vision to bring the richness of authentic, high-quality spices to every kitchen. The brand was born out of a passion for food and a desire to enhance traditional recipes with organic and natural ingredients. The name Rachi embodies the essence of purity and authenticity, reflecting the brand's commitment to preserving culinary heritage. Title: Sustainable Sourcing and Eco-Friendly Packaging. One of the key pillars of Rachi Spices is their emphasis on sustainable sourcing and eco-friendly packaging. The brand works closely with farmers to ensure that their spices are ethically sourced and of the highest quality. Additionally, Rachi Spices uses eco-friendly packaging materials to reduce their environmental impact and promote sustainability. Title: The Evolution of Rachi Spices. Over time, Rachi Spices has expanded its product range to include not just spices, but also blends and seasonings tailored for various regional cuisines. The brand's dedication to providing authentic flavors while ensuring health benefits has made them a trusted name in kitchens both in India and internationally. The evolution of Rachi Spices reflects their commitment to innovation and excellence in the culinary world. Title: Introducing TasteAbit, ready-to-use mixes and seasonings. With the launch of their product line TasteAbit, Rachi Spices took a step forward in catering to modern, time-pressed chefs. TasteAbit offers ready-to-use mixes and seasonings that make cooking convenient without compromising on taste or authenticity. From traditional Indian dishes to international cuisines, TasteAbit has something for every palate. Title: The Culinary Heritage of Rachi Spices. Rachi Spices is deeply rooted in the traditions of Indian cuisine, with a focus on bringing authentic flavors to every kitchen. The brand's commitment to preserving culinary heritage is evident in their product range, which includes spices and blends that capture the essence of traditional recipes. Whether you're cooking a classic Indian dish or experimenting with new flavors, Rachi Spices has you covered. Title: The Global Reach of Rachi Spices. While Rachi Spices has its roots in India, the brand has gained international recognition for its high-quality products and commitment to authenticity. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to kitchens around the world, Rachi Spices has become a trusted name among food enthusiasts. Their global reach is a testament to the universal appeal of authentic, flavorful spices. Title: The Health Benefits of Rachi Spices. In addition to enhancing the flavor of your dishes, Rachi Spices also offers health benefits. Their organic and natural spices are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that promote overall well-being. By incorporating Rachi Spices into your cooking, you can not only enjoy delicious meals but also support your health and vitality. Title: The Future of Rachi Spices. As Rachi Spices continues to grow and innovate, the brand remains committed to its core values of authenticity, quality, and sustainability. With a focus on expanding their product range and reaching new markets, Rachi Spices is poised to become a household name in kitchens around the world. The future looks bright for this pioneering brand in the world of spices. Title: Get Cooking with Rachi Spices. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, Rachi Spices has something for everyone. From their traditional spices to their innovative blends and seasonings, there's no limit to the culinary possibilities with Rachi Spices. Bring the richness of authentic flavors to your kitchen and elevate your cooking with Rachi Spices. In conclusion, Rachi Spices is more than just a brand, it's a culinary experience that brings the essence of purity and authenticity to every dish. With their commitment to quality, sustainability, and innovation,